Welcome to Mars Lens, your front row seat to the most mysterious world in our solar system. What you're seeing isn't an animation. These are real images, captured by the Perseverance rover, sent across millions of kilometers, and delivered to your screen from the surface of Mars. Mars is cold, dry, and covered in rust-red dust. But don't let that fool you. This world is anything but empty. Every grain of sand, every jagged rock, every silent shadow. It all holds a story billions of years old. We begin in Jezero Crater, the landing site of Perseverance. Once long ago, water flowed here, carving valleys, filling lakes. Scientists believe Jezero was home to an ancient river delta, possibly the perfect place to find signs of past life. Look at those layered cliffs in the distance. They're like pages in a Martian book. Each layer is a chapter, built over time, shaped by wind, water, and ancient planetary forces. As the sun rises over the horizon, Mars reveals its textures. Shadows stretch long across the terrain, painting ridges and boulders with light and darkness. The air is thin, just 1% of Earth's atmosphere. It carries no sound, no wind howls, only silence. And yet, the surface is alive with motion. Dust devils, spinning tornadoes of fine Martian soil, dance across the plains. These aren't storms to fear. They're natural artists, carving the land, shifting dunes, rewriting Mars inch by inch. Perseverance drives slowly. Its wheels press into soil no one has touched. It stops often, pauses to look, to listen, to sample. It drills into rocks, searching for organic molecules, capturing samples we hope to bring back to Earth one day. Look closer at that rock formation. It may not look like much now, but it's possibly older than all human civilization. This is not just a rock. It's a time capsule. Beyond lies an open plain, flat, empty. But it speaks volumes. It tells of floods that once rushed through here, of a Martian climate that may have been warmer, wetter, and more habitable. In some places, you can spot dried-up riverbeds, their winding paths still visible. They look just like ones on Earth, but these haven't seen water for millions, maybe billions of years. Now shift your gaze to the sky. That pale orange haze, it's filled with fine dust. This dust gives Mars its color, but it also hides secrets. Minerals, salts, even clues about the planet's chemical past. Mars has seasons, just like Earth. Spring brings dust storms. Summer reveals more of the surface. Winter coats the poles with dry ice. But these seasons pass slowly, over twice the length of Earth's year. At night, the temperature drops drastically. Without a thick atmosphere, heat escapes quickly. The land freezes. Frost sometimes forms on rocks. Even now, scientists wonder, could microbial life survive beneath the surface? And then there's the sound. Or lack of it. On Earth, you'd hear the wind, your footsteps, maybe birds. Here, the silence is complete. Even sound travels differently. It's quieter, more muted, eerie but peaceful. The rover continues its mission, climbing slopes, studying soil, scanning with lasers. Every image, every scan brings us closer to answering the greatest question: was Mars ever alive? No fossils have been found yet, But Perseverance is patient. It's storing samples in sealed tubes, waiting for a future mission to collect them and fly them back to Earth. Imagine holding a rock from Mars in your hands, feeling its weight, studying its minerals under a microscope. That future is coming, slowly but surely. Mars may seem still, but it's changing. Its magnetic field is long gone, but its core may still be warm. Underneath the surface, who knows what secrets lie buried? Orbiters overhead snap photos from space. Rovers on the ground explore the details. Together, they map Mars inch by inch, pixel by pixel. This is the most studied planet after Earth, and we're just getting started. Now, think ahead. The first human mission to Mars. Astronauts stepping out onto this soil, setting up habitats, building greenhouses, searching for water below the surface. That's not science fiction anymore. Space agencies around the world are working toward it, and the data Perseverance sends back is helping design that mission. One day there may be cities here, lights in the darkness, communication dishes, human voices echoing where now there's silence, a second home for our species. But until that day, we have these images, this data, these stories, and we have the chance to imagine, what if? If this journey inspired you, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Mars has waited billions of years for someone to listen, and now you're part of that story. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and stay with us as we continue to explore the unknown.